Hey everyone, I've just completed another build. This one's for a mate. You would have seen a few months back that I actually had another build in this case. It's a Cooler Master Cosmos S, and actually some of the parts that are in this build were in that build, but it's been completely stripped since then and a lot of new parts have been added. The water cooling system has been much improved. So I'll just go over the specifications of the system. Okay, so it's got a P7P55LE motherboard, a Core i5 750, which is actually running at 4 GHz. The memory is G.Skill Trident 1600 MHz, 88824, CR2 1.6 volts. The graphics card is a EVGA GTX 480. The sound card is ancient. It's a Sound Blaster Audigy 4. The power supply is a Silverstone 1000 watt Strider, and it's got an OCZ Vertex 2 for the boot drive and a couple of Western Digital Caviar Blacks. Okay, so the water cooling system. It has an XSPC RX 360 in the top. It's an awesome radiator. It's even a bit overkill for the hardware that's in the system because it's 60mm thick. It's got some serious cooling performance. That's cooled by 3 Noctua NFP12s. The heatsink on the CPU is a Swiftech Apogee XT with the Revision 2 top. The water block on the GTX 480 is an EK nickel acetal. The pump is a Swiftech MCP 35X, gets about 1,000 litres per hour. So all the fittings are Bits Power fittings. There's a combination of black sparkle and shining silver. As you can see, there's compression fittings as well as 90-degree dual rotaries and 45 degrees, etc. The reservoir is a Bits Power 150mm reservoir. Yeah, it's got a coolants filter just there. So just a close look at the pump and the reservoir. Couple of EK mounts holding that reservoir. So you can see there's a blue LED strip in the back there. There's another LED strip on the side just there. So there's a cold cathode at the bottom, another cold cathode up the top there on the radiator. So the tubing and coolant is Feather UV reactive blue. The case fans are NMX TB Silence. There's one on the bottom there, and there's also one in the back just there. So I'm not going to give you too much of a look around the case because the cable management is pretty standard, and this is a very old case, the Cosmos S. This is just more to have a quick look at the build and go over the specifications, but I'll just show you the front panel there. One cool thing about the Cosmos S, it's all lit up and it's got a touch sensitive power button. So let's just have a close look at the system now. That's the switch just there for the cold cathodes, just got it hanging down the bottom. Pretty simple build, but very high performance water cooling system. Might even get 4.2 GHz out of that Core i5 750. So you can see the LED strip there at the back. The motherboard has a lot of blue in it, so the colours are matched up pretty well. Just one last shot of it there with the side panel on. So that's about it. That sums up this video. Thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks guys.